In this video, we will show you how to assemble the Millie Trellis Side Table. First step, we will need table legs, ferrule connector, 2 small screws, Allen key. As we can see, in the 2 legs of the table there is a part that has to fit with the other part, just as we are showing in the pictures. After this, we see that there are 2 holes that coincide. This is where we will have to place the ferrule nut and the screw. We will have to be holding the ferrule nut from below while screwing, as shown in the picture below. This should be the result. Second step, we will need the top of the table, the legs which we did in the last step, 4 medium screws. With the table upside down, we can see that the table has 4 holes, which is where the legs that we have previously assembled will go. Then, we will have to place the legs as shown in the image and start screwing each of the legs to the table with the help of the Allen key. Final result.